D, and I just wanted to share a really cool trick that I discovered with one of my teammates, and it's a way to easily save files and quit in Vim. So we can Vim, let's say test, and go ahead and just enter in hey, okay. And what you want to do is hit escape to get out of insert mode, and then do uppercase ZZ. So hold down shift and type in ZZ. And it instantly saved and exited that file. Very cool. And that's opposed to doing an escape colon WQ and sometimes with an exclamation point. So yeah, I hope that little trick is able to save you some time and some energy. And yeah, all right, I will see you guys in the next video. And just gonna be showing off some new API features that I think will really blow you away. So super excited to share our next video showing those additions to the ISRD API.